Joining UT was my decision rather than my parents' decision. The vacation program was something which helped me to be freehand familiar with the topics which were to be taught in the school, and the test series helped me to demanded me to be up to date with the portions. So all in all, it was like we couldn't stay away from studies at all.
I had enrolled for the test series program of Universal Tutorials. The books they gave to me, they were quite good, especially Sanskrit books. There were a wide range of passage. Then the papers, they were quite good. The questions were quite innovative, and I attended like 2 doubt-solving sessions. The teachers, they helped me with the doubts I had.
For me, UT was a place where I could clear all my doubts without hesitation. The teachers here are very friendly and cooperative. To be honest, I was not so good in maths, but now I can really say that the teachers have helped me so very nicely that now I love doing it. For me, UT is the name for path of success, and I can surely say that many other students are going to agree with me.
UT being divided into 2 programs, that is the vacation batch and the test series. The vacation batch, speaking exclusively, covers all the topics pre-hand, and when we go to school, it's just like a revision, and also it makes it very easy for. The preparation becomes very easy during the fog end of the year. The test series with continuous tests every week, one has to be in their toes, and UT pushes us to be on our toes, and also many of the questions were repeated in our board exams, which lessen the pressure upon us. My message to my juniors would be, do not study only at the fog end of the year, because with CC in practice, the evaluation is made throughout the year's performance. So please take care. Thank you.
The papers and all helped me a lot in preparing with the questions that were likely to be asked in the examinations.
But I had a success key, that is UT. It was like Khulja Sim Sim, and what you see is I'm here. My father always used to say me that everybody has brains, but it is the way you use it. The more you use, the more valuable it becomes.